Hey guys and gals, it's your dude, Sobercheferic, back here with another tasty food cooking tutorial. Yeah, that's right. Today, my take on wonton soup. So hang out after this intro and I will be right back. Alrighty guys and gals, I'm back. Yep, this is going to be for some super tasty wonton soup. So, right now I've got 3 tablespoons of toasted sesame seed oil. Got that in there. Heating up, I've got it on medium high heat. Actually, I'm going to bump that up to about a number 7. That's right, bumping it up to 7. So we're going to start off. I use my mandolin to get it nice and thin, but basically 2 carrots and I cut them on the bias, which basically just means that I cut them on the diagonal, and that's 1 cup. So I use 2 medium-sized carrots, and then I use 3 celery stalks, also equally in 1 cup, and those are cut on the bias or on the diagonal as well. Now I'm not going to be adding any salt to this because in a little bit I'm going to be adding some all natural red miso, which has got a nice little umami bombish, salty, beautifully savory, sweet. And this recipe is super simple and super tasty. The other thing, I've got 2 bunches of green onions. And as you can tell, these are cut on the diagonal as well. So we're going to let these saute just for a little bit. And I will be right back. Alrighty, we're back. Back. Now I'm going to add in my green onions. And if I was using yellow or white onions, this would be called mirepoix, which is the basis for so many wonderful stews and soups and sauces. But I don't want the green onions to get too overcooked. So now we're going to be adding 2 quarts vegetable broth. Oh yeah. That's 1 quart. And 2 quarts going in. Glug, 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 glug. All right. And now we're going to stir in our 1/2 cup red miso paste. And then what we're going to be doing is we're going to bring this to a boil. So a little bit of YouTube movie magic. We will be right back as soon as this comes to a boil. Alrighty guys and gals, we're back. I just took it down a little bit to a 5, and I'm going to be using, these are my favorite wontons. They're shrimp and pork, but you can use 1 package of whatever wontons you choose. Now these are frozen, so it's going to take a little bit for this to come back to a boil and for those wontons to be cooked. So once they are, I'll be right back and show a little, some people might call it the money shot. I call it the tasty treats. Alrighty. My favorite part of the show right here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this because it's pretty brothy and I don't want to spill it. But I basically let that simmer for about 10 minutes. Till all the dumplings are finished cooking. So, see that? Oh yeah. Oh, man, umami bomb. Yeah. Now, if you want, you can use any type of dumpling, gyoza, wonton. There's so many different things you can call them. Use whatever your favorite is. If you want to use chicken broth, whatever, make that recipe your own. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. That way you'll see when I put out some more content. So, guys, gals, dudes, dudettes, beardo, beardettes, I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. I'm Sober Chef Eric. Remember, life's too short to eat bad food.